The web has been dispersing overflowing data on a dynamic blockchain stage, and its convenience and security-related highlights. Consistently, the half-breed agreement system of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has likewise been in warmed conversations. Notwithstanding, not many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Before we dive into the REN cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the insights about the coin. REN, the masterminds behind the game. Everything started with two cohorts at Australian National University by name of Taiyan Zhang and Long Wang chose to work for a clever venture post their graduation. Before long, their own established programming organization began programming for exchange and calculations, becoming eminent for the mastery. The primary speculative stock investments Virgil Capital, for which Zhang perspired him the break required. During this excursion, he likewise saw the gigantic difficulties and bottlenecks the financial backers looked while exchanging digital currencies. He likewise saw that the centered justification behind these obstacles was that exchanges being public on blockchain additionally included OTC buys, and that additionally represented the unpredictability and costs. An enormous trade-to-wallet deceives the financial backers while presenting inconvenience in OTC exchanging. Well-off financial backers were the most terrible hit. In this way, turned into the beginning of REN, a urgent beginning. Characterizing REN, reliability and case network. Zhang chose to have the system of Ethereum, ETH24 REN as an undeniable decision, since it assumed it gave a definitive answer for the OTC issue, the Republic Convention. Realizing Wang's involvement with coding disseminated dataset innovations, including the development of a coding language for blockchain, Zhang teamed up with him to review blockchain interoperability issues. Thus, in the late spring of the year 2017, the Republic Protocol was conceived, expected to devise a convention for free crypto resource blockchains to really impart. Additionally, having on the capability of non-revelation and complete straightforwardness, REN continued on toward become the single open convention that worked within the middle between blockchains. REN partnerships. Purviews all over the planet are running to establish regulation and guidelines to permit or make it simpler for organizations to complete starting coin contributions, ECOs, or token issuances. Basically, REN isn't administered by any controller. It is fairly a distributed local area represented PC network comprised of clients' machines or hubs enduring all financial recessionary tempests. The board of REN understood that the simple individual usefulness of activity isn't adequate and that development implies spreading the wings. So prestigious names like Kyber Network, Matic, Polychain Capital, and IDEX got added to take the convention to raise levels. These organizations ensured utility, security, and further improved REN. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that these partnerships brought a consistent cluster of clients, financial backers, and designers to the REN project. REN as a token has been making critical cost changes on the lookout. Recorded on a larger part of trades, the symbolic shows a market cap of $386,752,402.11 and is as of now having a dissemination of 999,037,500 REN on the lookout. At the hour of composing this video, the ongoing cost of REN is exchanging around $0.3871. Despite the fact that numerous specialists consider that the coin could record a cost expansion in the impending years, there are numerous who devaluate this computerized resource, which is a decision for millions. The nerds have the accompanying shifted suppositions and expectation on REN cost alongside its market cap to refer to. The REN cost forecast anticipated states that the coin would arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.479 and least is anticipated around $0.000001 toward the finish of 2022. The REN coin cost expectation done price demonstrates that the coin would arrive at a most extreme cost of 57 cents toward the finish of 2022. REN cost expectation has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the start towards the year's end. REN has had a notable excursion all through. All said and done, REN's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. the Ren cost might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would carry Ren to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto opponents of Ren. Ren price prediction 2022. In light of 1-year authentic information and specialized examination, Ren thought of its own blockchain stage changing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money trades of the world by end of 1 year. It wouldn't be an embellishment that this estimated cryptographic money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardships, scaling a pinnacle of 89 cents. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves following the pandemic, this could come as a respite for all Ren financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in Ren. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the master expert's specialized examination and reports to remain refreshed with the gauge of Ren at regular intervals. Toward the finish of 2022, the Ren cost could cross the 57 cents cost level. Ren price prediction 2023. According to our Ren cost estimate, the Ren cost is anticipated to cross 58 cents by the start of 2023. The normal high for the year 2023 is 62 cents, and the low will be 51 cents. The typical Ren cost expectation for the finish of 2023 is 56 cents. Ren price prediction 2024. According to our Ren coin cost forecast, Ren is anticipated to cross 83 cents by the start of 2024. The normal high for the year 2024 is 61 cents, and the low will be 48 cents. The typical Ren cost expectation for the finish of 2024 is 55 cents. Ren price prediction 2025. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect to circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of Ren would develop dramatically, by when Ren would be not any more a credulous contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a carefully prepared player at 85 cents. Ren price prediction 2026. Be that as it may, the start of 2026 implied Ren cost could offer a bye to all negative and critical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for the Ren market. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with idealism. In the realm of digital currencies like Ren, there could be an expectation of marvels, there could be sorceries and present moment as well. With pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' expectations, it might mean a blast